Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels of your ink cartridges in an Epson Stylus SX405. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the machine itself using nothing but the buttons found on the front of the machine. So first of all, you need to press Setup, which is shown on the front of the printer with a screwdriver and a spanner. So we press that. From here, ink levels is the very first option. So we're going to press OK on the front of the printer. And it's as simple as that. From here you've got a breakdown of the cyan, magenta, yellow and black, along with their estimated ink levels. From here you can also go straight into changing the ink cartridges, which we also have a video for, but it seems more likely that you're looking at this due to a print quality issue that you're having with your machine. Now with the SX405, you shouldn't ever really have a print quality issue that relates to the ink levels on your machine. So if you're noticing stripes or missing colours on your prints, I'd recommend checking out our video on cleaning the print head of this machine instead. From here you can do test pages, which again we have a video for, and hopefully resolve your print quality issue that way. But thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.